Hello everybody and welcome back to another video with Take Pixel Tips. My name is Switzerlad and today I'm going to show you how to make a hybrid server, so Forge and Spigot, so that you can add permissions and plugins and whatnot into your server. So before that, we're going to of course create our server. Hit on that. Don't really want to do any fancy. If you want to, then you can. So right here, what you want to do is, instead of in the software section, you want to change up that. Go ahead to Mohist, plugins with mods, and install the 1.16.5 version. When we install, when you use this, how it's going to say for reinstallation process, so that it will be deleted. You can either make a backup just in case. This will also be for the Forge, and so you're going to hit yes and reinstall. So once that you have this check mark, it means that it's done. Now for Mohist to, of course, generate its files and whatnot, you want to head and give your server a start, accept the EULA, and until then, till it's loading, when it's done, we'll see this back there. All right, so now it's up. So here in the files, you will then see bucket.yml, the mods config, and polygons, and whatnot, what you don't see normally. So now we of course want to add our mods and plugins. So again, if you just want Pixelmon, go ahead and download Pixelmon Reforged. Latest version, right now it's 9.0.10. But again, if you want to do the mod pack, you would go for the compass mods like Explorers and Nature's Compass. So we're gonna go and get those as well if we can find them. I guess we need to Explorer is probably better. There we go. Add that. Nature's Compass. Oh, nope. Okay, Nature's. Seems it's always... There you go. Compass. Except that Aternos doesn't really want to search for everything. And of course, then journey map. That's the last one right here. Is this the right one? No, I think it's the first one right here. Yeah, the first one. Anyone to go for P5, whatever the latest one is. So then we want to also search for our Luckperm, which is the permission manager that we're going to be using. So we're going to go ahead and download that as well. It's going to be then inside of the plugin folder. Oh, and once we need the biomes. You'll go. Oh, that's the additional features. That's the wrong one. This one it is. Yeah. All right. There's sometimes some add-ons, so it doesn't really. Sometimes it's hard that. All right. Once you've gotten all that, you can go ahead and check that in your files. So you go to mods, see you have everything. So we have biomes to go, Explorers, Compass, the journey map, Nature's Compass, and Pixelmon 9010. Great. So then in the plugins and mods, you also, in the files, you want to see in the plugins folder that Luckperms is installed. And with that, you want to give your server another restart. So we'll see us again soon. All right, so now it's all up. Everything should be configured and installed from the server sides. So you want to go up ahead and launch your mod pack or just Minecraft with Pixelmon, get in your server address, and then join the server. And I'm gonna also have a friend of mine joining just as a for testing purposes. Oh, okay. So is that the wrong one? Oh, yeah, it's this one right here. There you go. Join server. Right, so we're just gonna take any starter, that doesn't really matter. And all right, we're now in the world. I'm just gonna wait for my friend Kadenu. That's gonna be here to test the stuff out. Of course, that's all you can, because I'm gonna be like I'm gonna set myself as server operator, because to do these permissions you need to be server operator. So he is then going to test out the commands once we give him the permissions to do so. There he is. Now he'll have to choose his Pokemons as well. I'm gonna TP him to... Oh, I can't do that yet because I'm not a server operator. So you're gonna go ahead up in the console and do up Switz, of course your username, and here you've got Switzerland, and it should do it. Oh. Ah, there we go. So it worked. Okay. Just didn't give me the feedback that I'm a server operator now. So now you want to do... No, it didn't work. Okay. Why is it not working? Ah, there we go. Seems the server just had a bit of issues. So you want to do an LP editor. And it's going to open up this link for you that you need to open yourself, and it'll show you this right here. Then you want to do is copy this by clicking on this text, go back here and paste it into the chat so that it can connect, meaning if you do a change and click on apply, it will do so automatically. All right, so you want to head into groups and then default, and then here you want to get the nodes out. So put in the nodes. So permission nodes, you can find them in the commands section of the Pixelmon wiki, which I'm going to be linking down below in the description. And it's worth mentioning Pixelmon Extras, which was a side mod for 1.12, is now embedded into the 1.16 version. So it will be here for now, but will probably then be moved to the general commands wiki section, probably in a few days, weeks, whenever it's going to be done, because not all of these are in yet, since 1.16 is still in a beta state. So that's why they haven't probably moved any of these commands from Pixelmon Extras wiki into the general commands wiki. Let's use the IVs command right here, so you can know what your Pokemon's IVs are. So you want to hit and copy from the Pixel Extras, and instead of Pixel Extras, you want to do Minecraft. Oh, there, I just did an oopsie. Here, and if you want the same for the EVs, use the EVs, and then as well Pixel Extras, change that to Minecraft. There we go. Press add, apply. Oh, it still didn't really do that. Okay. Because I'm probably not the server operator anymore. Need to give myself the server operator. Let's add the edits, and now you should be just the up, and we should be able to use, there we go, IVs 1 for the slot, and we can see our Turtwig's IVs, and he even said as well with a nod that he can do that. So yeah, this will probably be reported and hopefully fixed in the future, that the check spawns command is not working as intended for the permission node. So yeah, that is the basic on how to use permission nodes. If you want the permission nodes for other mods and all that stuff, check out their wikis and see if they have that. And otherwise, if you don't know a permission node, you can always use the verbose. So let me again go back and give myself operators. So verbose is a very nice tool where you can, if you don't know what the permission node is, you can do /lp verbose and then on, which it does then logging. So if I do then SS, let's see, comp C, let's see, and Kadenu, you can see then that the verbose then said Switzerland executed the command minecraft.command.comc. So yeah, if you don't know what permission nodes some commands have, this is a good way to know what it is. All right, and that's going to be it for this. Next time, I'm going to show you guys how to do configurations for your Pixelmon server. Here we have this friendly little crocodile that I also want to say goodbye. He's very happy. All right, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.